Hola friends, I just received an Arbor that I ordered from Amazon, and this is a black vinyl Arbor. This one is not, it wasn't expensive, so the quality is not gonna be the best, but for what I wanted, I think it served the purpose. I also like the look, and if I have to choose to pay less for a high-end look, then I'm gonna go for it. Over here I'm trying to put together the top part, the top arch, which is what the instruction tells me to start with. It's pretty straightforward, so you could actually do it on your own. Of course, a set of hand would have been better, but it's doable. You could do it on your own. And it took me maybe 30 minutes to put it together, so it wasn't as bad. The only part that I think it took longer for me was trying to figure out where to place it in the floor, so the stakes that came with it align perfectly with trying to align the stakes with the arbor. But other than that, not a problem. Of course, you have to be patient, because if you don't have patience, this part of it is tedious. Let's just put it that way. I forgot to tell you, but I'm using this arbor to replace the metal with the square top that I have going down to the sunken garden. It served the purpose. That also was a very cheap one, and it hasn't. It's not broken. It's still in good condition, but I think it's not for what I needed. The fact that it's a square at the top used to bend my roses and break it, and it just didn't give me the look that I wanted. Was also narrower, and the roses are bulky, so I need something that goes with that. This one is 21 and a half inches in width. The other one was 17, so it's a good difference. I also like the look of this one better. It looks higher, and the rose looks so much better in there. But anyway, back to the task at hand. So I'm trying to put the sides together, and this part is easier than the arch, at least for me. Over here, I just needed to make sure that to pay attention to the caps, because these pieces have holes in both sides. You can see through them, and there's two that only have holes in one hand, and those are the end caps. So I just needed to pay attention to them, because I need to pass through this one the other piece that is coming up. These are the pieces that are going to pass through the plastic I showed you, and the one that make the design on the sides. Then these pieces that are coming out of the legs are the anchors that you hammer into the floor to secure the arbor. Following the instructions, I started to secure it with the screws that came with the arbor. I am gonna apologize because after what you saw, somehow the camera stopped recording and I couldn't show you how I put the top part in together. So I proceeded to put the 4 metal stakes on the ground. Then I put each side secured on the stakes. And as per the instruction, that's when I put the top part. It was a little difficult, I'm not gonna lie. If I would have a set of hand, it would have been a lot easier. But I did it, so I know it's doable, and I am a short person. I am 5'3", so again, with the set of hand, would have been faster. That part was the one that took longer for me, now that I remember. But anyways, now I am securing it with the screws, and I made sure that it was level on the ground. So when I was putting the stakes, I forgot to tell you that part. But pretty much I'm done. This is it. It was relatively easy to put together. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is just for somebody like me that want something that looks high-end but don't want to break the bank. I hope you guys find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time.